prepare yellow gravy or yellow onion gravy, we have taken onion, cooking cream, butter, garam masala, coriander powder, whole garam masala, cumin powder, ginger garlic paste, salt and turmeric. In the melted butter and oil, we have added a little bit of charmagaj and cashew nut paste as well, which gives a different flavor altogether. Like I said, you have different variations to be done in the cooking. So some of the places where you don't see. So whenever we are adding for a gravy, please ensure that you mix it properly. Flavors to it. Very important thing we're gonna do is first we will add little bit of turmeric. You have to remember that we should not add any spices which change the color of the gravy. We will be adding just those spices. So here, apart from turmeric, we'll add little bit of cumin powder, coriander powder, and bit of garam masala. Stir it nicely. You can see now, because of the turmeric and the other spices, the garlic paste. If you wanted to make it a bit spicy, you can add chopped green chilies to it, which gives a nice spicy taste to the gravy. Okay, let it boil or very low flame, smooth flavor, smooth texture. So you can see, because of the cream, you have a different flavor altogether. This is yellow green pear, Mutter paneer. We have taken cubes of paneer, some green peas, yellow gravy, chopped coriander, butter, salt, cumin powder, turmeric, red chili powder, garam masala, whole coriander powder, and cream. We have taken paneer and some green peas. It up nicely. You can make so many dishes out of yellow gravy, which has a nice yellow color. Add chopped coriander to it. Give it a nice mix. That's our Mutter paneer in yellow gravy.